Good morning, everyone. At first, let me pay my regards to the Chancellor Sir, Vice Chancellor Sir, and the dignitaries which are assembled here to bless us all, and the guardians who have assembled along with the students who have secured very high rank or they have appeared well in the exam, and my respected teachers assembled here. At first, I would like to congratulate my colleagues who have, along with me, secured a rank, or even if not have secured the rank, have passed the examination well. Because having a rank or not doesn't matter in the life later on. I would like to thank the entire USTM family for having me here and for giving me the opportunity to stand before you and to take blessings from you, which will empower me grow in the life. And I would heartily thank the Chancellor Sir, Vice Chancellor Sir, and entire teachers and students of USTM for congratulating me and for giving me an opportunity to stay in your university. I will review it, but I ensure that I will surely join you for CSR net coaching. Even if I can join just now, I can join it after 5 years when I would come from ISA, and I ensure it. So I thank you all, and I am here all because of you. What you have given, your loves and blessings have empowered me a lot, and it will help me grow up and bless me so that I can in future stand for you, with you and among you to serve you, the society. At last, I would like to thank you again and for coming me, for asking me to come in front of you and share my feelings. And I would like to thank the USTM family again, and especially the sirs. I would like to pay my regard to the teachers all, because teachers are to the students as wings are to a bird. As birds are unable to fly without their wings, we the students are incomplete without the teachers. And I want to pay my heartiest regards to them. All are our teachers. The society is our teacher. We learn a lot of things from them, and they give the opportunity to learn. So I would like to be among you in future. So I request you, I heartily command you to give me your blessings so that I can live among you in future. Thank you, everyone.
We cannot leave Dhritiraj, let Dhritiraj go from here without singing a song, right?
As my favorite singer is Jubin Garg, so I would sing a few lines of the song. Ha ha khasabukute khapura se sukute akakh sum akakh suvarama akakh sum akakh suvarama kai tar buku bhedi kura pani majuri kothin prahar bhangi puharu anim ami akakh suvareman akakh suvareman akakh suvareman. Thank you.